Good morning.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon.
ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. What are you doing today?
Nothing, beta. Exam sessions begin.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you must be working hard, right? For the exams.
Everybody,
Teaching us.
all of us are working hard.
Ma'am, yes. Today is our exam.
Yes, beta, come again.
Ma'am, is today our ma'am, is today our science exam?
Did you go through the timetable? Who can tell me whether today is our exam or not? Fatima Ansari, unmute.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's not.
It is.
Yes, Fatima.
It is. It is our exam.
Is today your exam of science?
Is not there.
No.
I know it. It's not there.
No, it's not.
There. It's there.
Yes.
Ma'am, are you at your house?
Come again, please.
Ma'am, are you using mobile phone?
No, dear. Today is your regular class, and on 20th January is your science paper, and 21st January will be your maths paper. Okay, everybody. No, beta, your science paper is on 20th January, that is on Thursday. Your science paper is on Thursday and your maths paper is on Friday, that is 21st January.
Next period, next test.
Maths test is on Friday.
What? 21st. Which day is the maths period?
Maths paper is on Friday, 21st January, and your science paper is on Thursday. This Thursday is your science paper, 20th January, and your maths paper is on Friday, 21st January.
Which chapters are coming in science, ma'am?
Yes, madam.
Coming.
Just a moment, madam. Let me mute others so that I can hear you. Yes, madam, please.
Science.
Mhm.
Ma'am, science which chapters the coming exam?
Okay, beta, for now, I have given you syllabus on Google Classroom. I've shared there still. Unit 5. Yes, good afternoon, Hamza. Just a moment, beta. Just a moment, Nabil. Let me mute others. Good afternoon, beta. Let me mute others so that I can answer you directly. We are going to do revision today, Fatima. Okay? Okay, Nabil. Now you unmute, beta.
Unit 5 and also?
Yes, beta. Unit 5 and a little bit of Unit 6. Not much. Just a little bit. Very little bit. Okay. I have given you a huge syllabus of Unit 6, but not too much of Unit 6 will be coming. Mostly Unit 5. Okay. Read only Unit 5. The senses. Okay.
Sciences, organs. Okay.
And
Maths.
okay. And about your maths, just a moment, I'll let you know. Yeah. About your maths, Unit 4, adding 2 digits number, then finding the difference, finding the missing numbers, unit 5 of number families, unit 6 of multiplication, unit 6 whole, unit 5 and 6 whole, unit 4, in unit 4, unit 4D, E and F. Okay. Please check Google Classroom beta. I have mentioned there separately what all syllabus are coming. Okay. Yes, Hamza Iqbal, unmute beta. Tell me.
It is written. We have to read the and answer the question. Diet and exercise of keep in healthy.
Yes, beta, I told you, but right now you just focus unit 6 a little bit of coming, okay? But do read thoroughly unit 5, okay? Focus more on unit 5. Okay. Okay, everybody. Now, let me help you to do a quick revision on unit 5. Okay, so as you all know that we were discussing about taste bud. Can you all tell me where is my taste bud? Which part of your tongue is called taste bud? Yes, Zahia, yes, Nabil, very good. These are very important things. This might come in your exam. Very good. Fatima, Sanaya, Bushra, show me which part of your tongue is called taste bud. Very good. And do you all know at times when we speak or when we eat, there's a liquid type of thing that is in my mouth. I hope I have discussed with you in my previous classes. There's some liquid type of thing in my mouth when I'm chewing anything, when I'm eating anything, and that is called saliva. Right? Saliva helps you to break any food that you take. It helps you to chew anything. It helps you to blend anything. Suppose you're eating very salty thing or very sweet thing or very sour thing, then saliva helps you out to chew it up. Okay. So when I talk about taste, okay, when I talk about taste, there are varieties of taste. Some sweet, when you're having sweets, when you have chocolates, when you have cakes, what type of taste do you get when you eat chocolates or Cadbury's? Fatima Ansari, can you tell me what type of taste do you get when you eat chocolates?
I get a sweet one.
Yeah, and let me come next to, okay, Fatima Sanaya, can you unmute and tell me what type of taste will you get when you eat chips, any type of chips? Is it sweet or is it salty?
That's salt. Some of the part is salty and some of the part is sugar.
Okay, but mostly it is salty. Am I right, Beta?
Yes.
Yeah. So when you, so see, there are two tastes that we get just now. It's some sweet, some salty, some food tastes are also bitter. Means you don't like it. Oh my God, it's very bitter. Like you can see here on the screen, when you eat lemon, when you eat orange, you get some different kind of taste, and its taste is something like bitter. When you eat it, your eyes become something like this. Am I right, Fatima? Am I right, Hamza, Iqbal, Nabil, Rizan, Zahia? Am I right, beta? When you eat something like lemon or for example, orange, then your eyes are going like this. No, why? Because its taste is neither salty nor sweet. Its taste is something bitter, right? But it is healthy for our health. So some sweets are healthy for our health. Okay, it gives us. Yes, Hamza Iqbal, Abdul, please put on your video. Hamza Iqbal, Abdul, put on your video, please. Okay. So some sweets that we eat, it gives us carbohydrates. That is very important for all of us. Some sweet, some salty things, that is very important for us. It gives us proteins. Some foods like orange and lemon, I said just now, whose taste is bitter and sour, it is also very important. Orange is a fruit and eating fruits is very healthy for us, right? So see how many tastes did you get? Sweet, salty, bitter, sour, right? So can you tell me now the 4 tastes that we get? Let me come to Zahia unmute and tell me the 4 tastes.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
the 4 tastes.
Yeah.
Wait.
Just imagine when you're eating any chocolate, what type of taste you get. When you're eating chips, what type of taste you get. When you're eating orange or lemon.
I know 4 things. I know 4 tastes which I love the most.
Yeah, tell me.
Okay, first is that I love the saltiest chips. I love salty chips.
Okay, so one taste is salty, other one.
Other one I like. Yes, wait. Yes, I like to eat some chocolates every day.
And the taste of that chocolate is
nice and sweet, which I love the most.
very good.
And I love ice cream. Ice cream is my favorite junk food.
Okay,
Ice
junk
cream is my
food.
favorite
Can
junk
you
food
tell me
because it
any
has
healthy food?
gold.
Any healthy food that helps us to grow? Any healthy food that helps us to grow?
Ma'am, I know something. I know banana. Banana.
Yeah. What is the taste of banana?
It's very mushy and sweet.
Very good. Rizan, tell me any food that is important for us, that helps us to grow. Coming, Fatima.
Apple.
Apple. Very good. Any other food coming in your mind? Any other food?
Orange.
Very good. Nabil unmute. And Nabil, now can you tell me any 2 foods that helps us to grow, Vita?
I am going to teach you and show you the video.
Yes, Nabil. Nabil, come again, please.
Grapes.
Very good. Grapes. What is the taste of grapes? Sometimes. Come again, please. You know, sometimes some grapes taste are like, I mean, it tastes something sweet. Sometimes some grapes taste bitter. Right, Nabil? So now, what is saliva? Saliva is the liquid in our mouth. It helps you to break down the foods that we eat. And saliva is very important. Suppose whenever you just imagine everybody, everybody just close your mouth for 30 seconds. Close your mouth for 30 seconds and just imagine, is there saliva in your mouth right now? Every time there's a saliva in your mouth. Close your mouth and imagine. Just not imagine, just feel. Is there saliva in your mouth right now? Right. Fatima Ansari, unmute. Is there saliva
I
in your
can
mouth?
feel it.
Yeah, you can feel it. There is saliva in your mouth every time. Suppose when you're having a dry tongue, okay, when your tongue is not having any saliva or any liquid type of thing in mouth, then you will not be able to taste sugar and salt. Because saliva helps you to break the food. It helps you when you, suppose you're eating chocolate balls, okay, then with the help of tongue, we break the chocolate. We take teeth, but also with the help of tongue, the saliva that falls on our tongue, with the help of that, we mix up the chocolate, we break it, and it blends in our mouth, and then we get the taste. Oh, wow, it's so sweet. Right. So suppose if your tongue, yeah, beta, tell me.
You said that what food can help us grow. I know all the foods can help us grow. We can't have chocolate all the time because it will keep us unhealthy.
Yes, yes. Even if I talk about oranges, pineapples, or other fruits, even vegetables also, when you chew
Yeah,
it,
all of them.
yeah, all of them. When you chew it,
All of them help
then-
us. And we
Yes.
can't have chocolate all the time. That
you
will keep us
should not have.
unhealthy.
You should not have chocolates all the time.
Yeah,
Okay.
we can only have it a little time, little bit.
Yeah, there are many and plenty of foods that helps you to grow.
Yeah.
And there are many foods that taste very good. You don't need to look for chocolates apart from that.
Yeah.
Okay. Now coming to smell. Smell. Okay. Suppose your mama is cooking Maggie. Okay. You are sleeping. You suddenly wake up and your mama is cooking Maggie in the kitchen. Everybody, this example is for all of you. Suppose your mama is cooking Maggie in kitchen and you are sleeping. You just woke up. Then the smell of Maggie comes. It travels from the kitchen to your nose. And then you take a breath. And then you, oh, mama, are you cooking Maggie for me? Then you get a smell. Does it happen?
Yeah.
Does it happen with any one of you?
It happened to me.
Yeah. So how does it help you? Your smell helps you to get to know that what food your mama is cooking. Even smell helps you to notice which food is good for your health, which food you don't need to eat. Are you understanding, Hamza
Well,
Qureshi?
even taste does that.
Yeah. Yes, Hamza Qureshi, can you tell me what does smell do? Can you smell and tell us whether the food is good or bad? Can it happen?
Good.
Can you smell and tell whether the food is good or bad? Tell me yes or no, beta. Can you do it?
Good.
Yes. So you can smell and then you can tell whether the food is good or bad, right? So smelling also gives you a sense to find out whether the food is good or bad, you can eat or not. Suppose, for example, you are going out with your parents, okay, and some bad smells come to your nose, okay, and then you tell, oh mama, oh daddy, such a bad smell is coming. I think something is, I think there is a garbage over here. Something bad thing is over here. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh-oh. Just a moment, everybody.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am, do you like brinjal?
Yes, beta, tell me.
Do you like brinjal?
Brinjals. Come again, Fatima, please.
Do you love brinjal?
Yes.
Do you love
Okay.
all of the food?
Yes, but there are only
Taste all
some
of them.
foods that I don't like. Only very few foods.
I also have them.
Hmm. Okay.
I love brinjal.
Okay,
I also
Fatima.
love course, but I don't like it and I also love it.
मैं
Okay.
देखा मैं पढ़ा रही है स्क्रीन शेयर करके कि फ्लावर कैसे बनता है.
No, Hamza. I didn't teach you anything about how flour is being made, beta. Okay, Hamza, I was asking that, please unmute Hamza.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, Hamza. I asked you that can you smell anything and find whether suppose Hamza, your mama cooked any food for you. Can you smell and tell me that yes, this food is smelling very nice. This food is not smelling so good. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Yes. So how do you do it? Smelling is the sense that helps you to do it. Am I right, Hamza?
Yes.
Yes. So everybody now close your eyes. Everybody close your eyes. Everybody, Hamza, Fatima, Zahia, Abdul, Fatima, Hamza Iqbal, Rizan, no cheating. Close your eyes. And yes, Bushra, very good. And now take a deep breath. Try to smell. Is there any smell that is coming to your mouth, coming to your nose? Mama is cooking anything or any smell of anything? Just take
I
a
can
breath
smell
and
it.
try to smell.
I can smell, but my mother is cooking, but I can smell of food.
Yes, Bushra, please share. Okay, Fatima, good one, beta. Coming, Zaya, beta. Yes, Bushra. Tell me, what did you smell? Unmute, Bushra.
Ma'am, chicken kebab.
Okay, so did you smell chicken kebab? Oh my God. Zaya, unmute and tell me, what did you smell when you closed your eyes?
I smell a different kind of food,
Wow, what
which
was
is
it?
actually used from dosa batter. Which is actually used from dosa batter.
Okay. So see how your smelling sense helps you to smell so many things. Yeah. So see, smelling helps you to get to know whether that particular food or that thing is good or bad. Okay. Okay, now let us move on. Just a little bit of revision and then we will move back. Then the class will end and then you do a quick revision for your exams. Okay. Okay. Now Abdul unmute, and Abdul, please, beta, do not lay down on the bed.
Ma'am?
Yes, beta. Yes, Abdul. Okay, Hamza Qureshi, you can open your eyes, beta. Everybody can open your eyes. Abdul, put on your video. Yeah. Okay, it was Hamza Iqbal. Yeah, Abdul, please unmute.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, just for a quick revision. Abdul, can you tell me by the smell, can you smell and tell me whether the fruit is rotten or food is fresh? Can you smell and tell me? Will the smelling sense help you to tell if the food is, or if the apple, suppose if there is an apple in front of you and you just smell that apple, so by smelling, can you tell me whether the apple is rotten or it is fresh? Yes or no, beta? Can you tell me?
Yes.
No. Hamza Qureshi, can you tell me by smelling if
Yes,
the apple
ma'am.
is rotten? Can you tell me by smelling if the apple is rotten or apple is fresh?
Apple is
By smelling, can you tell me? I'm asking yes or no. Okay.
fresh.
Yes, very good. So by smelling, you will get to know if the food or anything is good or bad. Okay. Okay. So that's all about your revision about your smell, taste, and your senses. Okay. We will not go much on it. Just revise unit 5 again and again. Okay. Mostly questions will be from unit 5. Okay, your most of the questions, almost every questions will be from unit 5. So please revise unit 5 thoroughly. Okay, everybody. Any questions from your end, please? Zaya, unmute and tell me if you want to ask any question. You're raising your hand.
Ma'am, I am asking you that in ma'am, I was asking you that most of the questions will be from unit 5, but in fact family will they be unit 5? In fact family will there also be
Beta,
fact
this is only
family
for
and
the
all the
science
other things
syllabus.
which will
Beta, it is only for your science syllabus that I am telling. Only in your science syllabus, read unit 5. For maths syllabus, it is different. For maths, you need to go to unit 5, unit 6, and some parts of unit 4 also. It will be a close-ended question.
Ma'am, is
You
there
Tell me.
what is there amma kya bola tha?
Multiple choice question.
Huh?
Multiple choice
Ma'am, is there multiple choice
question.
Yes, beta, it
questions?
will be close-ended. Close-ended means you will be getting options to choose. Okay. And don't worry, the question pattern is very easy, very easy. By seeing there will be so many options, no, you will easily get to know what is your answer.
Yeah.
So don't worry about
Yeah.
that. Yes, Fatima Ansari, tell me, beta.
Ma'am, when is the exams going to end?
Exam will end by the end of this week only. I think Friday your exams will end.
Friday.
Yeah, Friday will
Because
be your
you
last
said
paper.
that in 21 will be science and those also. I was asking because of that.
Yes, beta, 20 and 21st will be your maths and science paper. So your last paper will be on 21st. You will be writing your exams till Friday. Okay.
Till this Friday
Yeah.
or
till
next
this
Friday.
This Friday. Okay,
Okay.
beta. Okay, everybody.
Okay, and
Okay.
in the end of the class, can you play a little game, play a fun quiz game?
Sure. Okay, I'll play it just now. Yes, Hamza Qureshi, unmute.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
which day comes my holiday?
Your holiday will be after Friday, beta. Saturday, Sunday.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now quickly stand up, everybody. Everybody stand up. Okay. Now, what you will do is you will quickly tell me you are passing. You will tell me any word. Okay. You will tell any word and you will suppose I am saying any word. I am saying a word flight. And then I will tell it flight Bushra. Then I will go to Bushra. Bushra will tell me another word. Okay, like apple Fatima. Then I will go to Fatima. Fatima will tell me another word. Okay, like Fatima will tell me Teddy Hamza. Hamza will tell me another word. Okay, so I am starting with Zahia. Zahia, tell me any word and then any of your friends' name.
Love, Bushra.
Okay, Bushra, this game will be very rapid, very fast. Bushra, tell me any word and your friend's name.
Go Fatima Ansari.
Okay, Fatima, unmute.
Hmm?
Come on, Fatima, tell me any
Banana.
word. Huh?
Banana and Hamza Qureshi.
Hamza Qureshi, unmute. Tell me any word and your friend's name. See how your names are coming out. Banana Hamza Qureshi, then Go Fatima Ansari.
Apple.
Okay, your friend's name, any other name? Your friend's name from your okay, Hamza is out. When you're taking a lot of time, it means you're out. Okay, Abdul, unmute. Tell me any word and any other friend's name.
Lemon.
Okay, any of your friends' name? Come on, those who are here in the classroom. Abdul out. Fatima.
Iqbal.
Okay, Hamza Iqbal. Hamza Iqbal, unmute. Tell me any word and any of your friends' name quickly.
Ma'am, that word is watermelon.
And your friend's name quickly.
Rizan.
Rizan. Rizan, unmute. Rizan, unmute. Oh. Rizan is not unmuting himself. Nabil, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rizan is there. Yes, Rizan. Your name has been taken. Tell me any word and then take a name of your friend. Mango. And your friend-
Hamza Qureshi.
Mango Hamza Qureshi. Mango Hamza Qureshi, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, tell me any name. Okay, Hamza Qureshi was done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Hamza Qureshi, I need to come to other one who is not done. I will come to Nabil then. Mango Nabil Patel. Tell me any other name. Rizan told me Hamza Qureshi. Hamza Qureshi is done, beta. But good one. Rizan gave me the most fastest answer. Nabil, quickly tell me the name.
My grip.
Okay. Oh, out. So now all of you are done. And the fastest one here was Zaya, Rizan. Zaya and Rizan were the fastest one over here. Okay, so this is something a little game. So be prepared for your exams. Okay, tomorrow also we will do a quick revision on maths. Okay, see you everybody in the next class. Take care. Bye-bye, everybody.